So the very first thing you're going to need to do is you just need to go into the Walmart affiliate website. Now, how you actually want to do this, they actually have their own Walmart affiliate program site like here. You basically want to scroll down past all the sponsored ads and you can actually sign up just on this page like so. Or you can log in if you already have an account. And basically once you actually enter in your email info, where you actually want to promote the link and any other information they request from you, such as tax info or how you can actually get paid out, whether it be your bank account or PayPal, you'll basically see you have submitted your application successfully, and it will be a few days or weeks before they actually get back to you. But you basically want to add your email address down here, and doing so will allow you to actually view the results when they're coming out as soon as possible. It's all you need to do. You just go to the site, and how you can actually access this is if you go to impact.com, which is a separate website that uses a lot of affiliate links. But basically on impact.com, you can actually just go to this discover option right here and then find brands or applications, and you can search for Walmart, click on it, and you can actually view, copy your links, and just any of your information or payouts just on this website like so. It makes it really easy to view a bunch of affiliate links at once. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing down below.